Hello everyone! So today I have my Sephora Playbox. I haven't subscribed to this in like 2 years. I think I haven't been subscribed to it. I used to when I used to live in Virginia, and I think when I moved I canceled it, and then I just haven't ever resubscribed to it. So I wanted to give it another shot, see if it's improved over the last 2 years or if it's just still just a okay kind of box. So that is what I have for you guys today. I'm trying to pre-film a bunch of videos before my 1-year-old wakes up for her nap. So the fact that I look the same in my last video, I apologize about that, but the life of a mama too. Toddlers. It's joyous. Without further ado, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also ring your notification bell so you can be notified for all of my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in my April Sephora Play box, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you guys aren't familiar with Sephora Play, it's a monthly subscription service that you get sample size, skincare, hair care, makeup type items in your box every month, and it costs $10 a month. I would say it's on the same level as Ipsy if you're familiar with Ipsy. Okay, so opening it on up, you always get this big old pamphlet, and you get a $50, I wish, 50 points beauty insider points, and I believe now you can use these online. Use this card online or bring it in a store. Sweet. With the purchase, you have to buy something with it, and then you get that extra 50 bonus points, and then you get a little pamphlet that shows all the products inside, and I'm gonna set that to the side because I don't know what I'm getting, so make it a surprise. So here is the little bag. So that's one thing that's different than when I used to get it before. They were like little drawstring bags, and now it's in this little plasticky bag. So there you go. So I'm gonna pull out this first thing, which is a Youth to the People. It's a deep cream moisturizer, and it looks like this. I want to say I've gotten something similar to this in a Sephora Playbox before. It's not opened, it's sealed shut. From my experience with these boxes, I don't tend to use these things, so I may not open it, and I may just save it for somebody else. So that's fun, a little moisturizer. I might just save this and throw it in a future giveaway. Okay, so the next thing I got the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. Ooh, this is fun because, well, I already have one of these, but I do know that I like it. It's not my all-time favorite brow pencil, but it is a good one, and I feel like the color is nice. It's just a universal taupe shade, so I'm actually pretty happy that we got this in the subscription because I feel like it's a good product. You even get a spoolie on the back of it, so that's cute. Just a little mini brow pencil. It is just in that like oval shape. I don't know how well you guys are gonna be able to tell, but it's not like the precise brow shape, if that makes sense. It's more of the oval shape. So yeah, I'm actually really excited for this one. Okay, the next thing I have in here, this is the Bigger, Blacker, Badder Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara from Urban Decay. It's their Perfusion Volume Mascara. I want to say that I've had this before, but I don't remember. Another mini mascara. It's pretty typical to get mini mascaras in these boxes, and I feel especially for Sephora Play, you get a lot of mini mascaras, but it's fun to try another mascara, I guess. You can never have too many, especially if you need a backup. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. It's the matcha green tea extract. Does it smell like green tea? Let's see. It does have a scent to it. To me, it kind of smells like men's cologne, which I don't know if I'd be a fan rubbing that all over my face. Kind of gives me a little bit of a headache. Yeah, I'm not super into that smell. I don't know. So this is okay. Don't like the scent of it, but maybe the product's good. We'll see if I can get past that smell. The next thing I'm pulling out here, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. It's an extreme detoxifying hydrator that's refreshing, cooling, moisturizing, calming gel. Helps soothe dry, irritated skin with extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar, maple, sugarcane, orange, bilberry, and aloe. So that's fun. Just a little mask that you can get a couple uses out of. Nothing super fancy or extraordinary, just a little mask. Okay, I think this is the last thing in here. Yes, the last thing in here, and this is a Clinique Take Off the Day Balm. It's just like in this middle thing. Do you not get samples of fragrances anymore? Is that not a thing? Because that's what it used to be. You got a bonus fragrance item. Oh, but this, this month's bonus is the Take the Day Off Balm. Glad I looked in the pamphlet. So cool, I actually had one of these and I used up the entire thing. Like I had a tub of it and I used it all up. It was very great at taking off your makeup. So now I got a little bit more of it. I may purchase another one in the future. I feel like I could live without it. It's nothing that I feel like I need to have in my life at all times of the day, but it's nice to have. So that is everything that I got in this month's box. I would say not a horrible month. So you get 5 products for $10. Like I said, I'm gonna give away the Youth to the People cream, the Sephora water thing. I probably won't use, so I might pass this along to a friend or a family. I do like the brow pencil, the mascara is fun, and the gel is just kind of whatever. So I guess out of the 5 products, I'm probably only gonna use these 2, so are these 2 things worth $10? I don't know. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know what you guys got in your Sephora Play boxes this month. I want to know if you guys got anything fun. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.